Today we have this 2019 Tacoma. This is a TRD Sports, but this falls for all trims from an SR all the way to a TRD Pro, if of course it has the factory halogens. We're going to be changing out the low beams on this particular vehicle, which, as you guys know, from 2016 to 2021, 2022, they most came with incandescent halogens. Compared to the originals, it just doesn't match. If you have the LED strip, it doesn't match it. You want to upgrade it, get more light, more power outputs. We're going to show you how our bulbs, we're going to be using our LS series H11s on this particular vehicle. We're going to show you how it looks compared to the halogens, and of course our nice LED. Alright guys, so right here we have our new LSPlus H11s. So these fall under H8, H9, H11, H16. They're all the same exact bulb, just of course for different application they'll have one of the different numbers, but this will fit on this vehicle, will fit the low beam, the high beam, and the fog light. It fits all the settings. Low beams are H11s, high beams are H9s, and fogs are H8s. But again, these are universal for all four bulbs, H8, H9, H11, H16. So let's show you how this installs on the low beam for this particular vehicle. Just simply grip the bulb, or first unplug it, twist it, pull out, you're done. Now just simply insert the bulb into the housing. Twist it in. And again, this is all feel. We've done quite a few, so we connect. And we're done. Now let's test the bulbs, see if they come on. They do. Remember, if they don't come on, just simply unplug the bulb, flip it over 180, and reconnect. On this particular bulb, the LS series, it is non-polarity, so any way you connect, it will turn on. Unplug it, rotate 180, reconnect.